Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday, 10 of April. And what's up? What's going on? It's been a little bit of bloodbath in the market right now. Not right now, actually. There's not too much bloodbath. It's just that it's a boring movement sideways, okay? And there is this boring movement has a lot of thing to do with Bitcoin as well. I do see a lot of coins right now on Binance Gainers tab making a lot of move to the upside, seducing people to actually start to invest into the market once again. But I'm not really trading at this moment of time. I want to trade. I do have some coins that I see that are actually really good for trading. But once again, as long as Bitcoin has a threat to go to the downside, I'm never gonna do that. I'm never gonna do that unless you don't start to see Bitcoin, coming up to 44,467. I'm gonna be trading Bitcoin, man. It's just really stupid to trade Bitcoin right now. Really stupid Bitcoin anyway. And one more thing, if you want to actually learn trading, before you diving into the details, do take my trading course. It's actually going to be $29 if you want to pay with cryptocurrency. In order for you to pay with cryptocurrency, I just want you to go to the Discord and click my name over here, and you can message me on Discord. I'm gonna give you a promo code to actually pay for 29 bucks. Now that's out of the way, and I want you guys to once again come back to this chart. And let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. So the volume is really dropping right now. I just saw on Binance. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go now out to draw. Today we don't need really that much of chart reading and chart talking. So what I'm gonna talk about is volume. Okay. So yesterday or the back 2 days, I saw on Binance Bitcoin was trading nearly with 400 million BUSD. Okay, so it was being traded with 400 million BUSD. Even given on a normal day, Bitcoin always traded between 400, 5 and 600 million BUSD. But today, guess what? The volume, how much is it? Today it's almost 170, maybe 170 million, which is even way more half than this. So what is this volume and why is it going to affect Bitcoin? Well, the volume only means that Bitcoin doesn't have any buyers right now. In simple words, that means that the buyers are stepping out. They're quitting to trade Bitcoin. So, if the buyers are stepping out, who's gonna win the game? The sellers. The sellers are gonna come in to win the game. So this one tells me that it's actually very, very dangerous to trade Bitcoin. There's no volume. As a matter of fact, there's no volume in BNB itself. BNB, Binance Coin, it has like, just go to Binance and look at the volume. It has like 70 million. Are you kidding me? That's nothing, man. You need volume. Volume is the food to push the prices to the upside. Understand this, okay? You don't have volume, we're gonna pretty much be effed up with this market, Now, the thing is that I want to dive into the 4 hour time frame right now. And in the 4 hour time frame, I want to show you a particular resistance that right now we're following. I did talk about the bear flag. The bear flag technical target is in play. 40,200 is in play. It hasn't been invalidated. The only way to invalidate a bear flag is to break the flag itself. You haven't broken the flag. You are going down to 40,000 unless you don't break the flag. You're going to go 40,000. Simple put. And the reason, one more thing, is that on the 4 hour time frame, you do have a 10 EMA a restriction right now. So if I actually bring in and zoom in, the last time you were restricted at the 10 EMA, look what happened. Okay, the 10 EMA is really, really pushing the prices to the downside. So here we are, one touch right over there, one touch right over here, and look again, the touch over here, you're not crossing the 10. The 10 is winning and it's pushing the price to the downside. So it is going to act as a big resistance until the end of the time, maybe potentially drag all the resistance until here. And one more thing that I want to show you is the weekly. So next week isn't going to be good either. Next week ain't gonna be good. So the reason why it's not gonna be good is basically what I'm looking for is an evening star. Do you see that on the weekly time frame you're putting an evening star, and you have 15 more hours to close this candlestick? So in the next 15 hours, you might, maybe tomorrow you start to go down and bounce off here, and then you start to go to the upside. That's possibility. Or you can actually go down today, and then tomorrow you start to even go way more down to the second support line, which is going to be this one, all the way down to 38,000. But it's not confirmed. 38k is not confirmed really. We're going to talk about that if anything's going to happen. And that's it for the update, guys. Do check the course out, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love Hafiz.